The reporting feature enables you to create reports that accurately track student progress and assess performance. Educators can assess progress during and after the learning process. With these reports, it is best to download the CSV file to be able to view the data. There is an HTML page of the report, but it is a best practice to download and use Excel to look at these reports. To access the reporting feature, click on the Grade menu item. Click on the Reports and Manage Groups. Click on Reports. The Reports window will open. The dashboard screen will appear. The dashboard provides you with some overall course performance and progress within your course. You cannot drill into these performance measures, but it gives you an overall idea of what's going on within your course. Keep in mind that the course average score is a simple average based on all the work completed by your students. If you are using a weighted gradebook in MyLab IT, this score will not be 100% correct. To access the report area, click the slider so it's on My Reports. Note, there is no preference to make the My Report show by default. This demonstration will show you how to run an integrity violation report. An integrity violation report will provide you with a dump of all violations within your course. To run an integrity violation report, click on the drop-down menu, choose Integrity Violation Report. Click on the button Report Filter. You can filter by the score range if you wish. For example, maybe you want to see which students only scored lower than a 70%. You can use the slider to change the values before the report is run. You can choose a date range if you wish. A report name is required for all reports. Enter a report name. When you click Save and Run, you will not immediately see the results. You will see that your report status is in progress. Note, your report is placed into a queue on our server. The amount of time for the report to show up under the status column can vary. Please be patient. You may wish and do another activity within MyLab IT or log off and come back later once the report is run. Once the report is ready, you will see under the Action column 4 items. The eye icon allows you to see the report as an HTML page. Remember that this is just a dump of all violations in your course. In order to understand what you're seeing, you have to group some of the results. In this demonstration, look at the first 2 rows of data. In this case, Samuel submitted the file, but Jane's name was found. Scrolling over, you can see the column titled Check Type. Remember that violations are evaluated at both the source, document, and content levels. Now look at the column titled Integrity Violation. In this case, you will see Yes at both the source and activity content. This means that Jane gave up her entire file to Samuel. Now look at the next 2 rows and scroll over until you see the Integrity Violation column. Notice that at the source level it says No for the violation, but Yes for the activity content. This means that Samuel used his own starting file, but then copied and pasted from Jane. Finally, look at the last 2 rows. In this case, you can see the file was from Jane, but no student's name was found. Why did this happen? Most likely, Jane was able to somehow obtain a greater solution file and submit it as her own. The second icon under the Action column allows you to download a CSV file. The CSV file will allow you to do a deeper analysis of the report using Excel. The half circle icon allows you to rerun the report without having to go through the complete setup. Clicking the context menu, the 3 dots provides 3 choices: Edit, Rename, and Delete. This concludes a tutorial on how to run a student enrollment report.